Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to make garlic butter quickly. First, ensure your butter is at room temperature for easy mixing. You'll need 1 stick of unsalted butter, about 1/2 cup. Next, prepare 3 to 4 cloves of fresh garlic, finely minced. Finally, gather your seasonings: fresh parsley, a pinch of salt, and a dash of black pepper. These simple ingredients are all you need to start this delicious spread. To begin, let your 1/2 cup of unsalted butter soften at room temperature for at least 1 hour. This makes it much easier to combine with other ingredients. While the butter softens, finely mince 3 to 4 cloves of fresh garlic, aiming for about 1 tablespoon. Then, finely chop 2 teaspoons of fresh parsley. Using fresh ingredients truly enhances the flavor of your homemade garlic butter. Once your butter is soft, combine it in a small bowl with the minced garlic and chopped parsley. Add 1 teaspoon of kosher salt and a dash of black pepper to taste. Now, using a fork or a small spatula, smash and stir all the ingredients together until they are well combined and creamy. You can also use an electric mixer for a smoother consistency if desired. Your homemade garlic butter is now ready to enjoy. Store it in an airtight container in the refrigerator where it will stay fresh for up to 1 week. For longer preservation, you can freeze it for up to 6 months, perhaps in small portions. This garlic butter is fantastic on toast, pasta, or vegetables. For easy meal prep, check out the leak-proof containers linked in the description, along with other great deals. It's a simple way to elevate many dishes.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.